Hi everyone, my name is Sox5 and today I want to show you how you can become administrator on a Windows 11 PC without knowing any administrator passwords. To pull this off, firstly you will need a Windows target. For this show off I will use Windows 11. The Windows target must not have a BitLocker because then it will be impossible to tamper with any files in the Windows system. We will also need a Kali Live USB, so let's get started. Here's the Windows target with the user Sox5, and we want to be able to see if it has any interesting files, and for that we will need a administrator account. So we will enable a hidden administrator to get access to the Sox5 account. So you can start with turning off your computer. So we will start to do that. And then I will see you when it's turned fully off. And go into the boot menu, press F2, because that's the most typical key. If that does not work, you can try to search the PC to find out which key it is. And go into the boot menu, and I will use my Windows hard drive to boot now. Okay, now we have booted into Kali Linux. So now we will start to get access to the Windows PC. Click on this icon up here, that will be your Windows disk, and here we can see the typical Windows directories. And in here we will open a terminal, and I will make the terminal a bit bigger for you so you can see what I'm doing. And then we want to cd into Windows System32 and config right here. Then we will ls to see what's in it, and we can see there's a special file here called SAM, and the SAM file is special because it stores all the Windows passwords and accounts, and it also stores all the admin accounts, so we can give ourselves admin. So let's try that. For that we will need a Kali tool, or a tool that comes with Kali. So let's start. Just write the same as me. Okay, first here we can see the tool is used to change the password of a user in the Windows SAM file, and for that we will need the interactive menu because that's the easiest way of doing it, and we will need the file we want to edit. That's the SAM file because that's where all the passwords are stored. Okay, let's go. We can see the first one is edit user data and password, so we won't take that. The next thing we will do is there's a administrator account here, but it is on this administrator account is on all Windows PCs, but it's a hidden account, so you can't use it. You will need to enable this administrator account, and that's what we want to do here. And we can see there's the account have an RID of 1F4. Okay, and here is unlock and enable user account. That's what we want to do. And now this account should be enabled. You can see here is a normal account. Before it was a disabled account. Okay, we want to get out, so press Q and enter, and we will just show that it's not locked anymore. So now we should be able to access it. So Q and Y to save, And now we are done. So now we have to boot into Windows. So let's try. And you can pull out your USB disk now. And go into the boot menu, press F2, because that's the most typical key. If that does not work, you can try to search the PC to find out which key it is. And go into the boot menu, and I will use my Windows hard drive to boot now. Okay, and it's done booting in a few seconds. I hope so. And yeah, here it is. And you can see there's an administrator account here that was not here before. If you click on that, there's no password, and we can just go right in. So it's done. We have all the access on the PC. I can show you that this is an administrator account. If we go in here, we can see it's an administrator. And if you want to access some of the files that SOX5 account has stored, we can go in. Got a bit bigger, that's nice. We can go in to the local disk and users and SOX5, and because we are administrator, we have access to do that. And now if there was a hidden file in the downloads folder, we will now be able to look at it and edit it. And yeah, that was all I have today. So I hope you liked it, and please comment if you have any trouble getting this to work. So, and subscribe if you, and like if you love my content. So see you next time.